Vorsprung durch Technik, or progress through technology. 3 words that have defined Audi for more than 50 years. It's an ethos, a unique way of thinking that puts innovation above all else. In the past, Vorsprung durch Technik brought us iconic cars like the Audi RS2, the Audi 100 and the original Audi Quattro. And today it's bringing us cutting-edge cars like this, the new all-electric Audi A6 e-tron, the most aerodynamic car Audi has ever created. In fact, every car that Audi creates is imbued with a sense of Vorsprung durch Technik magic. But to get a deeper understanding of exactly what it is, where it came from and how it's powering Audi's all-electric future, Audi and Autocar have invited 40 lucky readers to this exclusive event. This is Vorsprung durch Technik Live. Let's take a look around. So the day starts in here, with guests learning about Audi's entire 126-year history, from a small independent car maker to one of the world's automotive giants, and how back in 1971 that iconic slogan of Vorsprung durch Technik first appeared and changed the trajectory of Audi forever.
Going through the history of Audi was really fascinating. I didn't know the origin of the Durch brand and how they'd always, even from 100 years ago, like progress through technology. They wanted to differentiate themselves through technology. It's been really fascinating.
Yeah, I didn't know much about that. It was useful having that session where we saw the slides and we were talked through how things developed. And that was interesting. I'd never realised that was how Audi started.
Through the presentation today, we're also just learning as to what they're going to put into future models potentially.
Later on, the readers are going to get the opportunity to drive the latest embodiment of Vorsprung durch Technik, Audi's all-electric e-tron range. We've got the Q4 e-tron, the Q6 e-tron, the all-new A6 e-tron Avant, and of course the RS e-tron GT Performance, the most powerful car Audi has ever made.
They look very streamlined, because with some electric cars, they look quite boxy and sort of like fridges. So Audi's definitely kept a really beautiful looking car in the electric field.
For me, being somebody in tech, I really like the tech side of Audi compared to like other brands on the market. Like the screens are kind of curved towards the drivers, just the interfaces, the sort of the little customizations you can do, virtual mirrors in the A6 and the sunroof as well. Very cool.
Now the readers are being given a tour of an extraordinary lineup of cars. It's a collection of some of the most iconic and innovative models from Audi's history, ones that truly embody the essence of Vorsprung durch Technik.
It was nice to see that original Audi Quattro. I've watched them a bit first with catalytic converters on all models, just first in everything.
It's amazing how it can go all the way from rotary to 5 pods in electric and still keep a lineage. Not just the body design, just like the Vorsprung Technik thing, always innovating but keeping true to themselves. I think that's quite cool that they managed to do that over a period of 50 years.
It's all progress through technology, and I guess that means, to me, always advancing your technology, and that keeps you top of the game, which I think you can tell with the cars coming up to the latest technology, and up there like blows your socks off. The newer stuff is fantastic. Yeah.
Before the guests hit the road, some of Autocar's journalists are going to be talking about their most memorable Audi moments, like standout road tests, Audis from their past, and what Vorsprung durch Technik means to them.
This is the Club Audi founder member number 6 plaque, given to my dad in the late 1980s when he and a few others set up Club Audi UK.
know, we've got the TT outside, which was the first car first production car to debut dual clutch gearboxes. You know, major innovations historically. You know, there's been a very obvious link between Audi's engineering and the public, and that has been VDT.
Audi had access to that technology 60 years ago, which is amazing.
A lot of love for the Audi brand and the history and the people involved with it.
And now the moment they've all been waiting for, getting behind the wheel of an all-electric Audi.
This is hands down the best car I've ever driven.
Oh, that's a bit more.
The quality, the ride, yeah, the comfort. I liked the cooling seats. Normally I'm a heated seat girl, but today I wanted the cooling.
Suspension is very, very good. Like you're driving with the clouds.
And then the braking as well, like the regen, which I've never experienced before.
It's not often that you could get back to home and your car's put more petrol in itself.
The refinement is something that you don't find in any petrol cars. The relaxation in driving it as well.
I can get used to this.
We drove a Q4 and a Q6. It was quiet, it was smooth. So, yeah, very impressed.
And I feel instantly at ease. I've never even seen an E6 before today, and I could drive it without having to think about it.
Lots of power, etc. Exciting dashboard. My wife would love the dashboard.
It's just unique, and the sort of whole Vorsprung, durch, Technik thing shows that like they focus on the technology and the user side. Oh, got another one. Good.
It feels so unbelievably easy to drive.
You definitely know you're driving an Audi. Certainly on the RS model, we blown away by it. Really good.
So there we go, a truly unforgettable day of pure Audi indulgence. All we have to do now is wait to see where Vorsprung durch Technik will take the 4 rings next.